Welcome back. You're watching Ashurina Sudan. Today I'm here and today I'm back in the design studio and today we are designing another product. It's a continuation of the hairband. So we already have a hairband with an elastic behind, but the front is all made of silk, and we are going to design this other style of hairband in my studio. We are going to use a few things. We have some handmade motifs, and then we have some ribbons, and then we are going to also use our fabrics made out of silk. So all our hairbands are made out of silk, so don't worry about that. Silk is very important for good for your hair. Not very important, but good for your hair because it helps you avoid split ends, and it also helps you keep your hair smooth, and also it's a very luxurious material. So if you want good quality stuff, it's better you get yourself a silk hairband. Now we are going to use some ribbons to actually finish this the headband. So for most of you maybe don't know that we design silk products here. We design silk scarves, silk masks, silk everything. So we need a few things. So to make a good finishing of this headband, I need a ribbon to make good closure. Otherwise it won't really look nice and sophisticated. So let's see, try and do the measurements. Yeah, this. Make sure everything is tight. I always have a tape measure around here, but it's not necessary for this project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can hem this. So let me use one of my safety pins. So I have these very long safety pins. So in order to make sure that this really sticks well, and see. So if I stick it well with a safety pin, I'm able to cover it and later on finish it off this red ribbon to make sure it covers the closure. And I'm going to do this by hand. Actually, I think it's better to sew it. Just sew it. And okay, for this, see how much silk is necessary. Actually, you have to use a little bit of more silk, but the more silk you use, the more you have to, it has to be long. The silk, it has to be, it has to be the length and not the width. So you have to cut the length and not the width. What we're going to do is, push these things away. I don't know what's wrong with my silk, but it's not helping me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a few pieces because we are not designing a lot of these headbands, guys. I'm designing a few pieces so that you can enjoy them for Christmas. Around 10 centimeters. And I'm using satin silk. Very beautiful silk. It's woven really well. Okay, so what I'm also going to do is I'm going to get some of this. Going to get some of the army green too, because I'm also going to design one of this also. So this is a beautiful color. I love it. So most of you maybe think this is the first time we are designing this product, but we already have headbands, but a different type of shades. They're in our web store. They're not this style. If you want that style, it's like elastic from behind, then you can better get that one. But for this style, it's going to be like this. And just to make sure it's going, I think I'm going to finish it with a black ribbon behind. Now I'm going to go back to business because I don't want to waste your time. I'm busy and I don't want to be, showing everything on camera. I hope you enjoy watching me design the hairband. If you want more on this, like this video, comment, leave me a comment below, ask questions, and also Don't forget to check out our online store to see the products we design and see how much you're selling them for. Maybe you're interested in purchasing yourself one. So that was it, and see you soon. Bye.